Welcome back, Pack. This is going to be another segment on how to fix your patchy beard. So I'm gonna tell you right now, everyone, when they start growing a beard, struggles with a patchy beard. I don't care. You can have the best genes and genetics in your family. You will still have a spot where it is patchy. So this is gonna be a couple tips on how to fix that patchy beard. So for me, number one thing is going to be take biotin. It's a vitamin. It's like super cheap at Walmart, Walgreens. You can go get it. Amazon. I'll link the descriptions below. Shoot, when I first started, I got my stuff from Beard Club. I didn't know any better, but their pills really do work. So, boom, Beard Club. I don't know if it would focus on that, but these are the vitamins that they send. They do work. I'm telling you right now, they work. This is like my third. Actually, it's not third. I'm exaggerating. It's my second bottle. Good stuff. Take biotin. The only problem with biotin is going to be it's going to make your hair grow, your head hair grow. It's going to make your nails grow, your toenails grow. All the hair on your body is going to grow. So hair on your chest, hair on your head, hair on the... Yeah, that's going to grow. So you're going to do a lot more maintenance, but it will work. It will kickstart your beard. It'll accelerate it a little bit more when you're growing it out at first. The other thing is going to be using beard oils, beard balm, beard butter, whatever you can get your hands on, because I'm going to tell you right now, your skin will dry out, especially now. It's December. It's a couple days before Christmas. So I'm going to tell you that your beard will dry out. To prevent that and prevent the itchiness, what you need is bam, beard oil. Boom. This is some good stuff right here. That is what you're gonna need. Listen, this is my like 5th bottle. It comes like that. You just scoop it a little bit. About that much. Focus. About that much. Put it in your hands, mix it up, warm it up, put it in your beard. This stuff will keep that beard moisturized for a longer period of time. And it looks good, and it smells good. And it's got great texture. You're gonna love it, and it's ridiculously cheap. It's like $11 for that tin, which lasts you a while. So check that out. I'm gonna link everything that I'm talking about below. So if you're getting anything from this video so far, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. That way you can get videos of when I'm doing more of this stuff. So we covered biotin, we covered beard oil, beard butter, beard balm. The last thing, and most people, I mean, this has been thrown around in the beard community. I did a previous video about it. That's more of an informational video. It tells you what it is, it tells you what it does, but it's a derma roller. The derma roller is amazing. I'm gonna tell you right now, I am gonna put pictures on this video of what I looked like 30 days in. Trying this is amazing. It's literally a roller. It has fine little needles on it, a handle. And all you do is, boom, where you have that patchy side, you just roll it on your skin. Roll it on your skin 10 times this way. Roll it on your skin this way. And what it does, it activates those hair follicles underneath the skin to start growing. I'm not going to get too much into this because there's another video which I'll link above. If you want to look at it, check it out. It literally is informational. It will tell you what it does, how it does it, and where to get it. It's not expensive. I think that is literally one of the best tools that I've purchased while doing this. And guys, I will tell you, I purchased a whole bunch of different products, from different companies, just trying them out, trying out the whole biotin thing, because I did research on that. The biotin does work. Trying the dermal roller. The dermal roller is amazing. It does work. Right here, it already has started growing hair on the upper part of my cheek, which is doing great. It's going to fill that beard out. The other thing is patience. You're going to have to wait. I know, guys, it sucks, but you have to. You have to wait. There's no other way of growing a beard. It's just patience. Patience plus these tools. Link below. Like I said, if you liked anything, if you liked this video, you got anything from it, let me know. This is how to fix your patchy beard. You do these steps, it will help. Your beard will grow. Let me know your journey. Let me know if you tried these products. Let me know if you have any questions. Put it below. I'm always online. I'll respond back to your comments. Thanks, guys. See you next time. Peace.